Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Create with Steve I. Today we are going to be creating a packing list. Okay, so I'm going to be creating a packing list for my planner. On one side, on the front side, I'm going to do a domestic packing list, and on the opposite side, I'm going to do an international one because sometimes I do both. So I found these alphabet stickers in this book, the unique alpha fonts from the Happy Planner. And they go really well with this sticker sheet that I got in the Recollections Europe sticker book. And then a friend of mine gave me this. It's a summer bucket list, but there are like traveling kind of like icons. So like here and stuff like that. So I am going to use some of these traveling icons as part of this. So we'll see everything I use and how I decorate it and all that stuff. I'm also going to be using in the Rongrong Rainbow collection these big boxes. I don't really use these big square boxes for anything, so I feel like this is a really good opportunity to use them. So we will see. Every once in a while I'll use one. Some of them are gone because I have used them in the past for different things here and there, but I don't use them often. So all right, so let's get going. So first of all, I am going to spell out domestic packing list. So and I am not going to worry too much about, well, maybe underneath I won't. Let's pull out the trusty ruler and do the first part because I want to get it in the middle as close to possible. I am not perfect and I don't pretend to be perfect and I mess up a lot, but I would like to get this as close to the center as possible. So this trick is always a nice thing to be able to put stickers on. So I'm spelling out domestic. Hopefully I'm spelling this right. I am never pretend to be a good speller, but I think I spelled that right on the sheet of paper. I always have to write it down. I can't just in my head see it in my head and then be able to spell it. I always have to write it out first to be able to spell it. That's just how my brain works. Okay, oops. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it is really windy and rainy today. Although it's nice and warm, it's just rainy and windy. Okay, so oops, a couple of these fell on. So when you're doing this, you want to try and have a smooth surface for this, and then what you do is you just try to see about where, oops, I can tell that that is not going to look good. Try to see where make it as even as possible in the center. I think that looks pretty good. It may not be perfect, and then what you do is you just slide that over on your finger, and then you hold it down and you gently pull away the ruler, and it will release the stickers, and then voila, they're on the sheet. Now, is that perfect? Nope. I can see a couple things that don't look so great, but you know what? It's okay. The rest of it I'm not going to worry about because I'm just going to come over to the side and put packing list here. So okay, I'm going to do a T. Oh, you can't see that because I moved that out of the way. So I think the T, what I'll do is I am gonna do well, I apologize, everybody. I filmed the video and then all of a sudden the sound dropped off. So I guess my microphone died. I have a battery operated microphone. So I apologize. I lost a whole video. I am so sad about that. So this is the domestic side of the list. And this is the international side of the list. So I just put on the things in them. I needed 4 boxes for this one, and I put in all the things that I felt like I needed to make sure that I remembered for international, and then 3 boxes for domestic. You know, the thing about domestic versus international is I know what I can find in the US, but I don't always know what I can find in the international. So I always feel like you need a little more preparation for the international. But I put the boxes in after I made all the headers. I put in all the boxes and I wrote in the different things that I felt like I needed. And then I used the bag tags and kind of created a beautiful decoration with that. And then I used that summer bucket list one, the travel themed ones, and I put in different things here. I just really like how this turned out. I think it turned out really nice, and I'm sorry you weren't able to see the whole video. It just bothers me so much. Now, the reason I thought about this was Jess from Love to Plan with Jess did she uploaded a video yesterday for a packing list, and I thought that what a great idea to do. I never even thought to do that. So the idea came from Love to Plan with Jess. I am amazed by her because she uploads a video every single day. I can't imagine doing a video every single day. But you know, I only have one planner, and I know several people in the planner community have several different planners going at once. I can't even imagine that. It just makes me feel overwhelmed just thinking about it. But anyway, so this is the domestic and the international again. I really, really love how these turned out. They're kind of cluttered and kind of like all over the place, but I love it. I think it looks really nice. So I'm putting it here at the beginning of my planner. I have created these country and state trackers where I color in the different states I visited and the different countries I visited. And so I put these in here and color them in. So because this is travel themed and travel related, I feel like this is where it should go. And I wanted to do this because at the end of this month, I'm going to Nashville for my brother's book release party, and I wanted to have a packing sheet for that. So anyway, that is my packing sheet. I guess I keep it open to it so you can look at it. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry again that my video got clipped. That makes me so sad that that happened, but I know that sometimes that happens. So have a wonderful day. Please like the video if you like it and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.